Hi everyone, today we are going to organize my stationery supplies. I have two organizer drawers under my desk. I've shared the links to these products in the description section, so you can check them out there. Here you can see the initial state of these organizers. As you can see, they're quite messy. All the items are mixed up and it's not very functional. Now let's empty out these organizers, clean them and arrange everything. First, I'll take out all my supplies. While doing so, I'd like to show you some of my favorite stationery items. These are the ones I like to have at hand. They are the ones I use frequently. By the way, do you enjoy drawing? Are you interested in stationery supplies? Feel free to share new video ideas and chat with each other in the comments. After taking out all my stationery supplies, I'll clean and wipe down these organizers nicely. They are smelling fresh now and all the dust is gone. By the way, I've planned my video upload days for Saturdays. What do you think? Is that convenient for you? Anyway, let's now rearrange all my stationery supplies. This time, I'll make a much more practical layout. Hopefully, these compartments scatter or get mixed up anymore. I'm placing my markers and coloring materials on the top shelf. Now let's arrange the tapes. I separated these tapes according to coloring. Here's the final look of my organizer. I'm quite pleased with this. What do you think? Do you think it looks nice and organized? Now let's move on to the second row. This one needed a bit of renovation. First I'll take out all the items, then I'll fix it up and of course wipe it down nicely. Since these drawers can't handle too much weight, we might to put lighter and let's bulk items in them. Let's put away my tapes into their box. I'm placing all my tapes on my desk for now and then we can put them into the drawers. I'm continuing to arrange my stationery supplies. some marking pen for these rows. The first row is ready. For the second row, I am placing boxed items and notebooks. And for the third row, I will put package stickers. Now we can put the shells back in place. My two organizers are now ready. I hope you like them. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!